Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great news coming here from TCS and Infosys. So, Infosys is offering free web development course with certificate, and this course is for 28 hour and 57 minute. So, once you complete this course, you will also start earning. I will tell you the website name, so please watch the video till the end. And TCS is offering master data management course, and here also this is completely free. You can see here free, and you will be getting the certificate once you complete. And as I mentioned, I will tell you the website's name where you can go apply. I mean, you can create a profile and then you will start getting the work. And also this certificate you will be able to use in your resume. You will be able to put it on your LinkedIn profile like how Ananya has put, and recruiters will be definitely able to see that, and they might approach you, right? So the advantage here is, so you will be putting in your resume, you can use it in your interview, you can use it on your social media profiles, and you can also start earning if you go through this courses. Okay, so please watch the video till the end, because at the end I will be telling you the website's name where you will be able to create a profile and you can start getting the work. Before that, friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. See, where we are doing lot of activity. If there is any hiring is there, exam preparation is there, if any kind of certification courses is there, everything we are bringing it for you. So please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Okay, now, so let us talk about the web development course 2.0. So what are you going to learn here? So this course will take you on a journey where you will learn to build websites and mobile apps using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, MySQL, and more. The courses starts with the fundamental and shows tips to work quickly and efficiently with web technology like HTML5, CSS3, and Python. You will learn to build your own responsive website using more advanced techniques such as iQuery, PHP7, MySQL5, and Twitter bootstraps, and to develop blogs and e-commerce sites and WordPress, and learn smart ways to add dynamic content using API to connect to sites such as Google Maps and Facebook. Okay, now, friends, as I said you, okay, so this is definitely for 28 hour and 57 minute, that means total 29 hours, and you are going to learn a lot. And after learning, or after going through this course, you will be in such a position that you can build a website, you can build a basic website, you can build a advanced website, right? And what happens, friends, there are multiple websites are there like freelancer. So what you can do, so in freelancer you will be able to create a profile of yourself, and you can put that, okay, so I know website development, I can make a e-commerce website. But definitely before that, once you are going through these courses, so you will be able to make a simple website and complicated website as well, because they're going to teach you a lot of things and everything in order. And this is completely free here, friends, you do not have to pay anything. So table of content, okay, so they have given getting started HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, bootstrap 4, WordPress, PHP, MySQL, APIs, mobile apps, okay, Python, bonus section, HTML5 and CSS3 special features. Where do you go from here? Assessment is there for 1 hour. So friends, for this kind of courses, there are people who are paying 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, so that much of amount they are paying. But here you are getting it for completely free, so you will be able to start the course and you can start learning from here. Okay, and then TCS course. Okay, so friends, as you know, TCS ION Digital Learning Hub, so they charge for each and every courses. Okay, but now here you can see, so master data management for beginners, so this is also free. Okay, and as I mentioned, you will be getting the certificate, and they have also mentioned it here. I will tell you, so where you will be able to see. So how will I be able to collect the certificate? Do I get a certificate on completing the course? Yes, you will get a participation certificate on completing all the mandatory requirements of the course, and there is no examination here. And friends, I wanted to tell you, so 53% of the company, okay, see, wanted the resources, or wanted the engineers with data knowledge. Okay, so data management knowledge. Okay, so you can see, and you will be getting an average package as a data analyst for 4.3 LPA. So this TCS has analyzed and they're telling you. So both the link will be given in description. And I wanted to complete this course. Okay, so make a profile on the freelancing. So work as a freelancer. You see, even you can contribute 1 or 2 hour daily. Okay, and you will be able to earn extra money. Okay, and Intersala also, so you can do some kind of internship where you have to spend only 1 or 2 hours on daily basis, and you can make a website for that. Because see, whenever I need the people for my work, I put it on Intersala, and from there I get them, and they work for 1 or 2 hours, and they get a kind of a stipend, or you can say extra pocket money. And even during my when I started my journey as an IT engineer, okay, in 2012, I also used to do this kind of activities to earn extra money. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay, but definitely for that you need to develop the skill, you need to learn the skills. And that's where I feel that this Infosys web development certification is very very important. Even I am not able to make my website because I don't know about website development, so I will also go through that. Okay, so friends, do find the link in the description, apply for that. And also I will encourage you to check this freelancing website and Intersala, and do subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon. And once again, I will make a website completely on this freelancing and Intersala, that how to use it, how to make a profile, and how to start earning. Okay, so thank you till then, take care, all the very very best.